Hi everybody, this is Daniel, Southern California Pools. I'm here at a client's swimming pool. They have a pool spa combination and their issue is that the spa is draining into the pool when they put it in spa mode. Typically, that's an issue with one of the valves, either the suction side or the return side valve. So we're going to check those valves out and see what's going on. Alright, so we're going to switch this to spa mode. And we can see both valves are turning. The suction side valve is turning into the correct position. However, the return side valve is turning to the wrong direction. We want this end to be going in this direction. So there's a simple fix to that. There's a 3-pronged positioned lever on the back side of the valve. So we need, right now it is in position number 2, so we want to put it in position number 1. That's going to correct the valve, put it in the right direction, and we are good to go. Both valves are in the correct position and we are good to go. Have a nice weekend, everybody.